breaks down into two different pieces. Okay. So the easiest way we do it, or I do it, is where does this vent go to again?
It goes right there.
Right here to this thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And it needs to be vented. If you're going into a garage, I mean, you'll have enough space. It doesn't need to be vented.
Okay, I
Yeah.
get you.
This is just for like
Enclosed
like
areas
this.
because the nitrogen, if there's too much nitrogen in the air, you'll pass out
Correct.
due to lack of oxygen.
Okay.
But if y'all have enough ventilation or like the garage door open or something, it'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to bring this down. I'm turning it over. There you go. Okay. That keep turning. Hold on. Alright, coming down. Oh, alright. Alright, so these two pieces right here are connected via same thing, 17 millimeter bolts, but they're in both or all four corners, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
Okay. I'm just gonna loosen those, so I'm gonna take those off.
So y'all might not even need this vent hose. You don't think they'll need the vent hose at all, Sean?
If they're going into the garage, I don't know how big the garage.
I don't know where they're setting it up.
Okay.
I have no clue.
Yeah, they were asking us about the garage, and we said that would be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you can find that vent hose anywhere.
Right, you can go to
Yeah.
Home Depot and
Yeah.
get that if you need, if y'all decide you need it.
Yep.